Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin in Shopify Admin, open online store and select themes to edit. Once done, duplicate the live theme. That backup prevents accidental loss and makes testing safe. Next, click Customize on the copy and navigate to a collection or home page with the product grid you want to change. You're starting with the actual template, not guesswork. Make sure to have images and desired layout specs ready. Then move into the theme editor panels to alter settings and structure. Now you edit the grid. Select the product grid section in the left panel and open its settings. Change columns and rows to control density, set image ratio for consistent thumbnails, and adjust spacing to balance white space and product visibility. Use media options to enable lazy load for performance and toggle card elements like vendor, price, and badges to control information hierarchy. If your theme lacks a control, switch to edit code or add a compatible section block, but test each change immediately. Finish by previewing across breakpoints. Make sure your grid looks right on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Responsiveness matters. Once satisfied, publish the duplicated theme so changes go live. If the layout shifts or items overlap, inspect CSS and the section's liquid. Check container widths, float or flex settings, and media queries. A common fix is adjusting max width or replacing float with flex/grid. If errors persist, revert to the duplicate backup and isolate changes one at a time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.